Okay, we tightened the chain up a bit. There we go. Had too much slack. We don't have much to go here. Ooh, that got it to move a bit. Still not enough though. Just ripping the roof off. You got it to come down a little bit more, but just ripping that roof off.
It's splitting it, right?
Yeah. Let's see if I can eat this chain when it pops. Hopefully this thing could save me. Alright. I guess that's all he's doing. It's down farther now, but there's just nowhere to grab this thing, and the truck isn't strong enough. Well, it's not strong enough, and it doesn't have enough grip to pull it out. Looks like the let's see, ooh, this is all nails. Awesome. The wire's still connected. That goes to the other shed, so that's good. Wow. Huh.
Can we go? You still have stuff to put in. Oh, I have to go put air in the tire.